Honourable Minister, colleagues from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, members of the media, I'm delighted to join the Minister here today. And my message is a fairly simple one. We're all in this together. There's an outbreak in Fiji as we speak. There's an outbreak in New South Wales as well. So we are in this together. I'd also like to commend the Fiji government's response to this most recent outbreak. It's acted decisively, it's taken the tough decisions early, and it's doing what is necessary to keep Fiji and Fijians safe. I'm glad that the Australian government is able to support your efforts, Minister, in a small way with 10,000 vaccines. This is an initial contribution. More will be coming, and some PPE gear. But if there's any message you want to take away from today, it's we are in this together. Thank you.
So, Your Excellency, and again on behalf of the Fijian government and the Fijian people, I'd like to thank you, Awu Wale, for supporting us and giving us the vaccines and also the equipment that we will need to keep on supporting our testing capacity. I believe this is worth more than 250,000 Fijian dollars, about 131,000 US dollars. And also the fact that, as you've alluded, that vaccines, there will be more to come as time goes on, is very helpful to us. Vaccination is another layer in our protection measures around COVID-19, which includes surveillance, screening, testing, containment, treatment. And certainly the one that I just want to reiterate today is the public health measures, the COVID-safe measures. And I'd like to ask all Fijians to do our part in terms of the COVID-safe measures, because that is important, that is known to work, and that will help stop and break the chain of transmission of the virus. So once again, to Awu Wale, Australia, and to you, Your Excellency, thank you very much to the embassy here for supporting us, the facility, and also the vaccines that we received today and more to come. And also we wish Australia all the best as it fights and works around containing the outbreak that's happening in New South Wales. And we look forward to the many more engagements that will happen in the days to come. Navaliu.